What's up, y'all? So it's taco night. Let's cook some tacos. I got my lettuce, I got my chips, I got my cheese, I got my tomatoes. And this night, y'all, I needed a Red Bull, y'all, so I could keep going. Okay, so I got my ground meat up in there, starting to cook down. I added my season, and then eventually I added a little water too as well, y'all. As y'all see, it turned brown, nice and brown, so it's looking ready. Then y'all, I added my cheese in here, then I changed my mind because I was like, no, we're going to go with another different presentation for tonight. So y'all going to get to see I changed it up, put my cheese into another. As y'all see, I put my sour cream and my cheese in the display with my lettuce and my tomatoes. Looking all good. Okay. And then here go the last presentation with the chips and the ground meats and my little setup, y'all. I hope y'all liked it. And y'all don't talk about my voiceover because this is my first time.